Hello and welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. We'll be doing a tour and review of my Hilton Ras Al Khaimah beach resort and spa room in this video. I'm now heading to my room from the reception area. Come with me and let's check it out. This luxurious 5-star resort is located on the northern tip of the Arabian Peninsula and is only 1 hour 15 minutes drive from Dubai. It's a perfect destination for weekend getaways and business travelers or visitors who want to escape the busy city life. It has 475 rooms, suites and villas that feature complimentary internet access and private balconies and patios. The royal suites have a private steam room, sauna, and Turkish Hammam. Let's check my king TV room out. This is the entrance and there's a full-length mirror right next to it. Let's check the bathroom out. That's a shower. Toilet. Sink area. The bathtub. That's an interconnecting door for accessing the next room in case you choose to take interconnected rooms. On the left are the wardrobes, and this is how they look like inside. There's a safety deposit box, hangers, and shelves. And here we have some more shelves and some slippers. Let's check the rest of the room out. There's a multi-channel satellite TV over here. A desk. And that's a window and the balcony door. That's a sitting area. And the super comfy bed. There's a window behind the blind, and behind it is the bathtub. That's a mini bar. This is complimentary bottled water, milk, tea, coffee, sugar, and a coffee maker. Let's check the balcony out. That's the beach right there, and the swimming pool. There's such an awesome view of the mountains, a swimming pool, the beach, and the sea. I totally loved this room as it was nice and comfortable with great views. The only issue was noise, especially during outdoors night events, though they usually end by midnight. I would therefore rate it 8.5 out of 10 and would recommend it any day, anytime. I'll be doing the videos in part and keep them in Hilton Ras Al Khaimah Beach Resort and Spa playlists. Let me know if you've been to Hilton Ras Al Khaimah Beach Resort and Spa and how your experience was like in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.